A health minister was criticized on Monday after saying there are seats available in hospitals which have run out of beds amid the crisis affecting NHS hospitals. Philip Dunn made the remark in response to being told how patients were forced to sleep on the floor, prompting anger from MPs. Mr. Dunn also apologised to people who have had their operations postponed as the NHS in England struggles to cope with rising flu levels. Labour's Tracy Brabine said one of her constituents had taken photographs of people sleeping on the floor in a hospital. She said these were poorly people in chairs waiting for hours, not being given a bed or a trolley. What I didn't hear in his response was an apology. Is now the time for the minister to apologise to those affected? Mr. Dunn replied, Ms. Brabine will have heard last week the apology from the Secretary of State to those patients who are having operations postponed, and I absolutely am prepared to apologise today to those patients who are not able to be treated as quickly as we would like them to. There are seats available in most hospitals where beds are not available, and I can't comment individually what happened in her case, but I agree with her, it's not acceptable. The exchange occurred after Labour secured an urgent question in the Commons and challenged the government to explain its response to the pressures placed on the NHS this winter. Shadow Health Secretary John Ashworth accused Jeremy Hunt of pleading for a promotion in Downing Street rather than facing questions, with Mr. Dunn deputising for the Health Secretary. Mr. Hunt emerged from number 10 after approximately 2 hours with the enhanced title of Secretary of State for Health and Social Care, despite speculation he would lose the health brief.